What's up, everybody? It's a Friday. Hey everybody, what's up? I am going to be doing something different in this video, but kind of the same. If you've been following my vlog, you know that I have been having a battle with Cox Communications like you would not believe. In the past month and a half, they have been out to my house 5 times. 5 times. Still having problems. Well, last night when I went to watch a channel, to turn a channel, the screen froze. A box came up saying that they were having problems on their end to reboot the box. I pressed the button to reboot the box and it never rebooted. All I got was this boot error. Or not, it's not an error, just boot. It stayed at boot. I left it all night, never came past boot. So I pretty much listening to the box, could hear the hard drive just sounded like an old computer with the old hard drives, and it sounded horrible. When I got home from work tonight, I plugged it back in, seeing maybe leaving it, unplugged for a little while, that it would work. Just was clicking, just getting a click. So basically, I'm assuming that the box fried. So we went to the local Cox store. They just opened up a new one near me. Brought the old box in. They gave me a brand new box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I hook it up. So we're going to take this. We're going to head upstairs. Alright, so this is the box that they gave us at Cox. Open it up. Guy there opened up, checked it out, said everything was in here. So let's see. Let's open this up. Okay, we got a quick install guide. Okay. Some more instructions. Okay. Got a new remote. There's a coax cable, which I don't think I'm going to need. HDMI cable, which I don't think I'm going to need. The power brick, which I'm going to need. And under here, we get the new box, or what's supposed to be a new box. Oh, different than the other one. Okay. Yeah, this is a different model than our other one. So what I'm going to do is we're going to hook this up, and I'll go right through the setup procedure with you guys. Alright, so this is the area that we're going to be putting the box into. Yeah, and this is not a new box. So, first thing, I already have everything hooked here. We take our HDMI and we put it in here. And then we do cable from the wall. Okay. Alright, so we got the coax and the HDMI all hooked up. Now we get the power brick here. It's fairly simple, just plugs in there. And let's plug that into an outlet. It's booting. Okay, so that is booted up. Okay, so we have the Cox remote here. I'm going to select English. Okay, the activation is complete. We'll click OK. Okay, so now we got to name this device. Very easy. Living room. Click OK. Okay, so it's been set for the best resolution for HD video. So we're going to keep that as yes. Bringing in all my channels. Okay, the channels are in. Okay, so we're going to set up a new remote. So what I have to do is I have to press setup and hold it for 3 seconds and wait for the remote light to change from red to green. Okay, so it's green now. So I have to press the menu button. I guess I press the contour button. There we go. 8, 1, 6. Yes. Press and hold the setup for 3 seconds. Wait for the remote to turn green. Okay, and then type in shown above. Press that. Wait for it to turn green. Then punch in that number. 11758. All set. Yep, it works. That works. Audio receiver. Yes. What brand is it? It is a Vizio. Okay. Same thing. Press the setup button. Wait for that to turn green after 3 seconds. And then type in the number. All set. And that works. Okay, so I'm all set. Okay.
Dale was overruled.
There we go.
He packed up his desk and called the managing editor the next day.
All right, everything seems to work there. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is turn the volume down so I don't catch any copyright. Go through, we're going to set up the box. Contour. We'll go over to setup here. We have one new notification. Wonder what the heck that is. I think they got our bill. Alright, so first go to preferences. Go to general. Okay, the darkness level seems fine now. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Okay, everything on that seems fine. So we'll go notifications. Everything's on. That's fine. Go back one more. Check out the device settings. That's fine. Don't need closed captioning. Let's check the video display. Yep, everything is good. Check out our audio. Dolby 5.1, beautiful. Changed. Alright, so that's good. So we'll go back. Alright, let's try.
What? Is it pixelating?
It was pixelating.
Oh, it better not.
Alright, time and measurement properties or preferences, US 12-hour clock, month, day, yeah, beautiful. Go last. Power preferences. Okay. Power saver, I want it on. Okay. So that's good. Screensaver, devices, living room, device lights. Sync the DVR. Okay, so that's fine. So we'll go back. And I think we have everything all set there. I need to. Let's go last one more. That's good. See what apps we have. We'll exit out of that. And get the sports app up. Oh, my favorites. Oh, okay, so it saved them. exit out of that. Let's go back over here into the contour section. Yep, we lost all our recordings. Oh, that stinks. All right, so we're gonna have to set that up. I'll do that some other time. It's really easy to do, but looks like everything's working here. We'll exit out.
Reactions. Decrease alcohol use. Use
Outrage is our governor.
Yep, seems like everything's working now.
Really nothing in your way. It's as this cold front starts to drop.
Okay, we're good.
across southern New England that bring in the chance for
Okay, so we've got everything hooked up, running, set up, and the new box seems to be running really well. So hopefully this fixes it, because I'm about done with Cox. They have replaced pretty much all the wiring in my house. They've replaced the wiring out on the pole, out on the street. And now I have a new box. So if I still have a problem, I don't know. I don't know what the next thing to do is. Like I've said in past videos, I've had Verizon for over 7 years. And they were only in my house one time, and that was when they installed it. So I know when our contract does run out for Cox, most likely we'll be going back to Verizon if they can give us a really good deal. The shame is that the Cox, the Contour software, has some great features that I really love. The only problem is to get it to work, and it doesn't work. That's going to be it for this video. That was doing a self-installation for a new Cox Contour box. Don't pay them to come out. Trust me, it was that easy to do it. It took me all of, I think, maybe 10-15 minutes to do. And the biggest time that you consume there is for the software to update. So don't spend 80 bucks, 75 bucks for them to come out to put a new box in. It is really easy. Just remember which cables you unplug from the box that you have, and just remember to put them in the right boxes. So you're wasting your money if you have someone come out. It's very easy to do. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, thank you for watching. I do all sorts of different types of videos, daily vlogs, although I haven't been doing them that much lately. I need to get back to them. But if you're new to this channel, if you click that subscribe button down on the bottom, you'll be able to see all the videos that I've been doing. I've been doing this for over 4 years now. Like I say, I enjoy doing it. If you're already a subscriber to this channel, thank you. I do appreciate it. You know what I put up for videos, so I don't have to tell you again. But what you can do is on the bottom there, next to the subscribe button, see a little bell icon there? If you click on that, you'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video. So you'll be able to check them out. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will be back to you guys real soon.